Previously on Meet the Sullivans.
Nice. You send me a package from Amazon?
Yes, I sent a gift for Camille.
Me have my wedding to think about and a whole heap of things on my mind right now.
You ever once think about how I am feeling?
We not have nothing to discuss. So whatever happen, just happen.
Okay, Mr. Sullivan.
Camille, what are you really in here do?
I am going to make so much trouble for you on this wedding. You'll never believe it. Alfred.
Whoa. Alright?
I think I need to sit.
Any man when in your life have to take charge. You have a book a weekend for the 2 hours.
Anywhere but there.
You know, and Trevor Sullivan knows me or something.
Trevor Sullivan is dead to me.
We're really good on with you and Trevor Sullivan. Make him name so triggering to you.
Nothing more than we had a relationship and we're done.
Camille, Cutty no come today?
Nope.
No, can't take them brother here no man. Come and tell the man to come cut the yard and deal with the place before the rain start fall again.
Trevor, are you your friend them enough? I'm in a business with you and your friend them. Just now and them do nothing for me.
Yo, I better me just buy all the work and just deal with this myself, you know, because can't afford the hurricane to come see the place there, so. Camille, may I beg you, just fix back the place now. Fix back the place. Because I come like I want Jimmy and Billy, so.
Trevor, warm to you. Why are you so miserable? All age you take you? As a matter of fact, you need to come do some workout to car. Can't work. We can't go wedding with big belly. What we name Big Arella? Come help me push this. No. Push now. Push, Trevor.
Camille, I don't like how that sound, you know.
Push. And this my daffy do when me I bring you picnic. Come in our world. Really, Trevor?
I will have heard that, you know. Just go take out the water them off of the bed and put them in the fridge. And empty the bag. And go and relax little.
Okay, Grandpa. Trevor? I have good news. Get somebody to do the cake and I'm gonna get a caterer.
That sound good for you. How much do you charge?
Cake $80,000 and the catering $6,500 a plate.
What you really say? Camille, you realize say a $60,000 me did I get the cake for? And me did I get the plate, the food for $4,000 a plate? You know, say I better call Jake and Shirley.
Stop right there, so. Nobody mention none of your friend them. Me rather pay the extra more than take the headache.
You think an all-inclusive hotel we are run?
But wait, you never know what you sign up for. Is you propose to me? That's how wedding go.
No star. Like, you know how women take up this thing about me and propose to people about it.
Trevor Augustus Rudolph Sullivan. What you make your mouth say? tell you something, sir. I never me ask for this.
Camille, just cool no man. I'm sorry, I never mean it that way. School no.
Yeah, come chat off your mouth about married to about come propose to people.
Camille, just calm down no man. Hurricane a come. I could try find a better thing to do with the time no. But you behave so.
So you never did think about that all along?
Yeah, me I think about now. What you say?
Sometimes I can't stand you.
Yeah, something I stand for you.
Remember that miscarriage I told you about? It was for Trevor Sullivan.
So that means that when you tell me, say, something happened years ago, or really something happened recent, and it's still a mash up your meds, what really happened?
You see, I was really depressed. I had no one to talk to. I had no one to turn to overall. And I tried an old remedy, but I didn't know that it would work.
Old remedy. Nice, you know what remedy means something like a fix something. You know?
Please don't look at me any different when I tell you this. But Pepsi and rusty nail.
So the reality is that you get rid of the youth.
Don't say it like that, please.
So you talk to him about it?
Yes, but he's ruthless, heartless, and arrogant.
So that's why you no longer enough in place.
Yes. I don't want to see him. I have nothing but anger inside for him. Worst, he's planning his so-called wedding. He's just treating me like dirt.
What? Trevor got married? I'm married just to impress him over there. A good move that still.